Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into a fun best out of waste project using plastic bottles. If you're about to throw away those old bottles, hold on. I'll show you how to turn them into cute, creative items that no one would ever guess were made from waste. So, let's get started. For this project, you'll need 2 small plastic bottles, something we all have at home. Begin by cutting both bottles into strips, just like I'm doing here. Follow the same process with each bottle to keep them consistent. Next, fold the ends of each strip to add some shape. Now cut out a few cute butterflies. You can either draw them by hand or print out a design if you prefer. This way, you'll have some adorable butterflies ready to decorate your bottle strips. After decorating each strip with butterflies, insert one bottle inside the other. Now it's time to add some lights. I tried fairy lights first, but I also tested it with LED candles, and it turned out beautiful. It might not be perfect, but I did my best, and now we have a cute butterfly fairy lamp. No one would ever guess it's made from plastic bottles. For the next DIY, you'll need tissue paper. Start by drawing a circle on the tissue paper with a sketch pen in the color you'd like for your flower. Then, cut out the circle and separate the layers of tissue. Outline each circle with the same sketch pen. I use different shades of blue for a pretty gradient effect. Next, lightly spray some water over all the circles and wait for them to dry. Once dry, you'll see a beautiful blend of colors. Now, take a disposable glass, cut off the bottom, and start layering the tissue circles inside, just like I'm doing. I apologize if the video angle is a bit off. Just layer and glue the tissue circles as shown, and soon your beautiful tissue flower will be ready. The shades look amazing. For the finishing touch, take a small plastic bottle, cut it, and fill it with some crumpled tissue paper. Place your tissue flower on top, then wrap the bottle with more tissue paper and tie a ribbon around it. And there you have it, a cute mini rose bouquet made from tissue and an upcycled bottle. See, you can create beautiful, charming items without throwing those bottles away. For our final DIY today, take 2 waste plastic bottles and cut off the top parts. We only need the tops for this project. Cut both bottles the same way, then glue them together. I painted mine black, but feel free to choose any color you like. You could use it as is, but I covered mine with a black foam sheet for a sleeker finish. After applying glue, I added some black stones to give it a nice, stylish look. It's a bit time-consuming, but the result is amazing. You now have a mini storage container, perfect for storing jewelry or other small items. Let me know in the comments which DIY you like the most. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.